Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a fantastic product designed for kids and beginners, the fully assembled mini 3D printer. This complete starter kit includes everything you need to unleash your creativity, from a compact and reliable mini printer to 10 meters of PLA filament and a micro SD card preloaded with model designs and splicing software. With its easy auto-leveling feature and dual Z-axis rail, this printer ensures high-precision prints every time, making it perfect for home, classrooms, and dorms. The one-touch filament loading system allows you to load and retract filament effortlessly, and it's compatible with 1.75mm PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments. Plus, the open-source printing capability means you can use it with Mac, Windows, or Linux and a variety of slicing software like WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicer 3D. So, if you're ready to explore the exciting world of 3D printing, this mini printer is your perfect companion, turning complexity into creativity fueling simplicity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.